Today we have a very special person with us, Mr. Sankaran Naren, the stalwart fund manager. He is the Chief Investment Officer at ICICI Prudential AMC. He is one of the most successful fund manager in Indian mutual fund industry. Welcome, Naren.
Hello.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Naren, what is your assessment of the mutual fund industry, and do you believe that the second half of the financial year will be any different from the first half?
I think mutual fund industry has huge scope. The scope is much bigger if people focus on SIPs, focus on asset allocation and focus on debt. And however, from a market point of view, I think that the markets are not cheap. And the way we look at it is market is in a situation where you need to invest for the long term, and you should use routes like SIP and asset allocation. I think the other important point is that value stocks are very cheap compared to quality growth stocks.
Naren, do you feel the pain will continue in mid and small cap going ahead?
I think again there, if you look at it, mid and small cap on the value side has been very cheap, and my reading is there is no big market rally from here without value stocks doing well and small and mid caps doing well. I think if I had to look at margin of safety at this point of time, there is a reasonable margin of safety in small and mid cap stocks, and that's why I would say clearly long term patient investor, I think small and mid caps are very good times to invest today.
That's great, Naren. I remember early in 2018, you are saying absolute no to mid cap and rather than small caps, and now you are bullish on again mid and small cap, both the segments.
I think things have changed a lot. If you look at the underperformance of small cap against large cap, it has been very substantial, and that's why I think clearly we have changed our view and are communicating that view very clearly.
What are your views? What are the factors or events that can change your view on the market, broader market?
See, I think market is not prepared for a big rise in crude oil. Suppose crude oil were to move out from 60, go to 80, I think that would be clearly a negative at this point of time. The second is that market is not prepared for interest rates to go up in the Western world. So if someone were to tell me US is going to increase interest rates, that would be a negative. These are the only two negatives I see. My view is that against that, economy has not been in good shape. I believe that equity investment should be done when economy is not in good shape. I think over the next 3 to 5 years, economy will be in better shape. And the tough task for me to convince people is that in 2007, economy was booming. In 2008, economy was not doing well. In 2002, economy was in very bad shape. So somewhere to get investors to invest in equity when economy is not doing well is very important. And today when the economy is not that good, I think it's a better time to invest in equity than in 2017 end when economy was actually doing well and markets were overvalued.
So Naren, what is your investment call in the current market?
My investment call has been very simple. There are 4 things that I believe in. I believe very strongly in SIPs, particularly in small caps and multi caps. I believe very strongly in asset allocation because that's the best way to create returns in the long run. I believe that debt mutual funds have a big role in every portfolio, and I believe all the events that have happened in the last 1 year makes me feel even stronger that debt is a very interesting asset class at this point of time. And the fourth is there is a significant preference for value over quality. And clearly, I believe value in small, mid and large cap are interesting.
So as you mentioned, Naren, SIP in multi-cap and small cap. So the multi-cap SIPs may be for the longer run, but the small cap SIPs are for a tactical allocation for a period of time or a longer run SIPs?
No, actually I have a view that small caps are the best asset class to actually put SIPs in. 2 years back, there was a problem because small caps were overvalued. And I think if I look at the next 5 year or 10 year, I think small caps will be one of the best ways to invest in SIPs. I think the challenge is different. I think once in 5 or 10 years, there is a year where market goes berserk. Right. So if you take 2007, if you had taken out money from infrastructure, you would have actually been benefited. In 2017, if you had taken out money from small and mid caps, you would have been benefited. So I believe maybe there'll be a year like 2027 where you have to take out all your small cap SIPs. And that year comes once in 10 years, and that year if you take out money from SIPs, there's no better way to invest than SIPs in small cap.
So you are not worried about investing in SIP beyond 5 years also? And
Certainly not. Certainly not.
so there will be a significant wealth creation through SIP in small caps also.
Yes.
Thank you, Naren. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
joining us.
Thank you.
It was an interesting and insightful discussion with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.